Hey guys, what's up? Mishi here, and oh my god, I've missed you guys. I haven't taken up the camera in quite some time, but I haven't been up to much, just been here, there, and almost everywhere. But today is an interesting one because my friend Anton and I are going to Cinchona, and that should be fun because that trip should have happened like a very long time ago, but because I didn't find the time when they went the last time, as I had work. But this time around I'm definitely in. So Anton has vacation and we're just taking that time to do a few tours and just exploring the place, which of course, you know, I'm all for. So yeah, so we're going to the Cinchona Botanical Gardens, and it's at an altitude between 4,500 and 5,500 feet in the hills of St. Andrew. So it was established in 1868. So, and actually it's saying that it's the only garden of its type in the Caribbean. So yeah, that should be interesting. So we're going up into the hills, and Jesus, see why I don't, this is why I don't vlog from home, because the roosters are just so noisy. But yeah, I'm excited about that. As usual, I'm always excited once I'm not gonna stay home. So yeah, yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. It should be a fun day. So stay tuned guys, and I'm taking you on this journey. Anyway, stay tuned guys.
The young lady want to talk to you.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, you were the one that said nobody could cross it?
Yes, I am Clifton Brown.
Right now, nobody can cross it. It's only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only it's a man and if it's a woman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Or if we around to help them.
That time there was right here the flood, you know?
It was right there?
Yes.
Oh.
So when it rained and the river come down with that every force of water, it's very difficult for people to cross it, you understand?
Oh, so what you been up to?
Well, right now we're trying to patch in the area and clean up the bridge, you know? Because if it is raining any time now, people can go back and forward, you understand?
Oh, okay.
So have a good day.
Alright, you too. Big up.
Alright man, take care.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
So this was the river where nobody could cross it. But everybody can cross it now.
No, I'm gonna buck him up there. That's just way over the other side. Now which side, where do I want to drive? This way or this way?
Let's see. Westphalia or Halls the Lights?
I've driven up this way. Let's drive this way.
Let's take the rocky road. So just took a stop to record this beautiful view of the mountains. Nice. And this is in Mavis Bank. And then there's Anton taking a pic. Wow. This is nice. All the way up. I'm all the way up.
Reach up yet? Still have more to go.
Really? Oh my god.
The last part is the most interesting part. So all that is fog. Damn, it's gonna be cold as F. So we're going all the way up. Up there. Up there, but.
Oh. Okay.
No, but this is how you get down to the school. That bar usually go down there.
She must come. I'm set for go, so what am I tell you for go? There's a sign this way to Cinchona. Hi. All that dust. Smell the tires.
Yeah.
And now we're at an alt because these two trucks are in front of us doing something. We don't know what. You wanna come out and stretch my legs there? So we have to wait until they're finished with whatever they're doing. So in the meantime, there's these raspberries. You think them ripe now and ready for eating? You think them can't eat now?
I don't know.
Look dry. Well, you want to try it? It's ripe.
Oh,
Good?
A bit stainy.
It's stainy? Let's see.
you're widening it for the truck. Or filling in a hole.
Tastes good. Give me more. Give
What,
me
like
more.
cheeseberry? Oh,
Raspberry.
raspberry.
It's good. Anyways. Want? Alright, I think I'm gonna get greedy now. And just have all of them. Ah, something stick. Oh. No, it's just the last one. Not all these. More. Oh my god, more. I don't like that one, but more. So we're finally here. Sign. Finally here. Okay, so here we are, and this is the view from up top. It's all foggy. Look at how beautiful that is. It's so quiet and it's just chill. It's not too cold. It's just perfect. The view is to die for though. I love the view.
Come in.
The rain?
Where them truck way?
Alright, it's getting cold now. Ooh, I feel that breeze. Like, I'm not sure how well the camera is gonna catch this, but that right there is the rain. And it's like slowly sweeping towards us. It's just so beautiful. Like, the camera isn't doing much justice to it, but damn, Mother Nature. Wow. I like the fact that it's so quiet. It's real quiet.
The old ruins up there and things. They're fixing up the place, they're putting in benches and things.
Oh yeah.
So we used to come and do the barbecue here.
Oh, they used to do the barbecues there?
But all this used to be far more impressive, you know, in terms of the different trees are them labeled and everything.
Oh.
But look like they're starting to set back up stuff here now. They will used to be the ranger's house.
The Rangers house up there.
Destroyed. From the nest. Lock up the cat.
Oh. So, this is it. Cinchona Botanical Gardens. This is the view. Yeah, same thing. Look at it. Now you can't see anything down there. It's just all fog. Wow. You can see the fog coming in. Oh my God. It's cold. You can imagine like January, February. That's what you were saying. January, February in this time. Oh my God. Whoa. Chili plus tax. Oh yeah. Let's go walk. You're in the fog as one.
Before and after.
Yeah, you know. So yeah. This is what it looks like. This this and that used to be the ranger's house. Flowers. So
This is nice. Look at it.
Snapchat. This is about 300 years old?
100 and hold it. Hurricane. One of the hurricanes came and just totally fucked it. The ranger used to live up on a white guy. He used to live up on.
Snapchat. Ah, it's beautiful. The fog still coming in. Oh, there's a beautiful flower right there. It's nice. So I think they're working on doing some fixer up around all of this. So they're fixing it up and trying to get it back on track, I should think, because it's a lovely place. I think they should fix it up.
Yeah.
They should really fix it up.
A nice good grass here around. Oh yeah, sorry.
Don't worry, Anton, you are in the vlog. It's the pit toilet.
Yeah, well,
guys.
It has a toilet seat of modern thing. We
Oh.
if you go down to the
Alright, guys,
school
if you're
outside.
eating, stop right now.
No, man.
Oh, it's not that bad?
No, it's quite good. If you put the camera down in it, no, it's another.
Oh. It's a pit toilet with a modern touch to it.
That's the seating.
Both of them?
Yeah. I really don't know who is his and who is hers.
Yeah. I guess anybody that wants to go first can just
You see them things from boarding school. Back in them days.
pit toilet days.
It was day and boarding at night and day and they had regular day school. So what they used to do is everybody had to use the board house them when in the day.
Oh.
So and you know those lovely shit flies that hang around in them blue color or something. You go into the thing, you lift up. And if you have to do your number 2, you do it and you move quickly because the fly them must rise.
Ooh. So quiet though. So the rain is finally here. It has begun.
Soon blow over. This is really more from the mist than anything.
From the mist? Oh. What is a road trip without Red Stripe? So Red Stripe should pay me for promo, right?
Exactly.
Most of my vlogs are Red Stripe in it.
A hopeless cause, the both of us. We risked it all. We gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave. Sometimes I laugh the ways you make me lose.
It's a place you used to be able to stay in.
Oh, it was like a
Hostel. Well, like
a
the
hostel?
kind of thing you could, yeah.
Now we're in Clydesdale. Before you enter the Jonker Mountains. So we just stopped to look. Old building over there, which used to be a hostel. I hear a river though. Sounds like there's a river close by. Yeah, you hear it though. There we have it. Clydesdale.
There's a pool down there, but I don't know if it's not bush up.
So this is how it looks. This is the inside. Wasn't that big. So I think I found my Christmas tree for December. Seems like each stick with a pink ribbon has an upcoming Christmas tree to it, or an upcoming pine tree that they're gonna be selling for December maybe. That's good. Like, see a few. These are a few. Good business. So we're coming from Clydesdale and now to Kingston, and then you can head upwards if you want to go to Newcastle. Hi Goldie, how are you? Talk to Mr. Bad Goat Billy. He's well comfortable. So we stopped at Cafe Blue, and this is what they have done with the place. Whoa. So there's now a veranda and there's more seating. I love it. It's a good idea, she did. Yeah. It's real nice. Share soup? Usually it was just down there. Just that part.
That section there,
Yeah, that section down there. But no, all of this. Nice.
You're all I have. The skill is like